What's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to Art Adventures. I am going to do a little test run with this Pentel Pocket Brush Pen that I just got in the mail. I just went ahead and went to my new school. Got into my new classroom today, first day available through the entire year. So, stepped foot into my new classroom, started setting up and all this stuff. Well, I was done for the day and I was like, all right, let me come home. I'll just watch some YouTube or whatever till my wife gets home. And then I remembered, oh, I have a package arriving today. Let me see if it's here. And my Pentel Pocket Brush Pen's here. So, I'm going to give this thing a run. I have never used this. I've only used a Faber-Castell brush pen, which sucks, by the way. It's a very stiff brush pen, so you can't really get thin lines with it. You can get really thick lines with it, but it's not really controllable the way that an actual good brush pen would do. This is very much like an actual brush. So when you open it, this is not how it comes in black, okay? Let me see if this thing like focuses. Anyways, it doesn't come in black. It's actually like these synthetic hairs, like an actual brush, right? But what this does is it comes with these cartridges, and you pop one of these bad boys in, and you give it a few minutes. So I was trying to do a video earlier, but I had to give it a few minutes and shake it around and try to get this ink really in there. I had no idea you had to do that, so learning curve for me, but now I know. One of my favorite artists on YouTube, his name is Kesh, and he is the one that actually got me on this pocket brush pen. This guy has amazing content, right? His videos are super fun to watch. His dialect is awesome. He's from India, speaks English in all his videos, but he's from India, so his accent is amazing. I don't understand why I'm so tuned into his accent, but Kesh, K-E-S-H. This guy is awesome. He makes great videos. He's the one that got me onto this pocket brush pen. Anyways, long story short, I went ahead and I did this little study earlier. You see how I messed up my table. Anyways, I did the study earlier this weekend, I think on Friday, if not Saturday. I think Saturday morning. And I'm going to go ahead. That's going to be posted later on. It's scheduled to post later. I already got ink on myself. But Kesh uses this pocket brush pen, but also uses like a dip ink, right? So this one is, I'm not using dip ink, so I hope this doesn't run out after I use it for a little while. And I left my tripod at home. I'm sorry, at home. I am at home. At work. So I'm going to try and use this, right? And do a handheld. So far, man, this brush pen is so thin at the tip, right? And I suck at brush pen. I don't even want to mess this drawing up because I actually like these studies, but you got to do something sometimes. And if you want to be on the fly, you're gonna have to be willing to mess things up sometimes. So this is kind of like a trial and error for me, but it is. Oh, okay. I'm trying to do like thick and thin lines, stuff like that. So it kind of almost looks like animation, or I don't know. But I'm going to be practicing with this bad boy because I am loving the way that Kesh's artwork comes out. And most of it is because his variation of line weight. Line weight just meaning he's got thick lines and thin lines to create his figures or his artwork and his style of artwork. His style is awesome. And man, if you can't steal from somebody, and then you're not watching the right people. Definitely steal from Kesh because he is a great artist, and he talks about stealing from people too all the time. Stealing is not plagiarizing, but if you don't give them credit, it is. And we don't want to do that, but stealing from other people's successes so that you don't have to run into the same bumps that they have walked into. So far, man, I really like these. This is an amazing tool to get the hang of. You can tell Kesh is really used to using this because his stuff looks way better than mine. Yeah, see, I didn't want that thick line, but it is what it is. I wanted something thin like that. Yeah, this is fun though. I'm really enjoying this. If you guys want to pick it up, make sure it's Pentel Pocket Brush Pen. It comes with this cool cap with the little Japanese symbols on it. But so far I haven't ran into any problems as far as the ink running out. It's definitely difficult to, without practice or no practice at all, get the line weight that you specifically want without messing up like I just did. Look at this head. That head is terrible. But practice makes better. Not perfect. I don't like that quote. Practice makes better. You don't get perfect at anything. You can always improve. That was a nice line. I like that. There's little things in art that catch people's attention. See, that's nice. I like that. See how thin it gets and then how thick it gets. And obviously I'm using a handheld camera right now, my phone, so I can't really move the pages around as much as I'd want to. Typically I'd be like turning the page or whatever to make it easier on myself, but I'm just kind of practicing with this thing how I got it. But yes, I do enjoy this. Again, this is from my phone and I'm using the app, so this is not going to be edited, so I apologize, but you know, it is what it is. Some of the videos are going to be like this now because I think I want to pop out more videos, and the only way I could do that without spending time to edit is doing quick little studies like this and doing them while I'm on the phone. Kind of live in a sense. I know it's not live, but no edits, no fast forward, real-time drawing right here, right now. And I like the quality the camera puts out on the phone. I mean, 1080p is 60 frames a second. I believe I have it set to. So it's better than my actual camera that I'm using until I get my new camera. But who knows when that'll be.